We're gonna talk about the 7 levels of talking to girls. A lot of people think you need to have rizz or charisma to talk to girls, but you actually don't. You don't need to have the smoothest line. And if you don't know, I'm a dating coach and I've helped over 20 guys with leveling up talking to girls. So I'm gonna show you the 7 levels of talking to girls, and I'm also gonna show you how you can level up from each stage. Up at level 1, we got the game fiend. These are the guys that play the game all day long. 10 on me, guys. 10 on me. Bro. You got 10 victory royales on Fortnite. 0 victory royales with talking to girls in person. You're spending too much time on the virtual world when you need to spend some time out socializing, talking to people. So to level up from here, literally put the game down, say once a week, go outside, speak to like 3 strangers, maybe go compliment a girl. Just like you level up your skills in a video game to get to the next level, you have to do the same thing with talking to girls. Now, if you're past level 1, you're not completely cooked, but you may be doing some things in level 2 that make you fry. So let's keep going. Now, level 2, we got the harasser. This is the guy that thinks he's good at talking to girls, but he actually sucks. Say you're at a party with your boy and he's following this same girl around that rejected him 4 times. We all know that guy. We know that guy that just won't take no for an answer. He's, come on, what's your number? Like, no matter if you got a boyfriend, come on. This is important because you may be this guy and you don't even know, because you still win sometimes. Every now and then you get a girl's number, but your shooting percentage is horrendous. Like, I'm talking Shaq free throw line. It's down bad, bro. So in order for you to get past this level, bro, do not be pushy with girls. If they reject you once, literally just walk away. Don't try to put 5 putbacks up. You missed a shot, you grab your own rebound, you put it up again, you miss. You get your rebound, you put the shot up again. Stop, bro. Pass the ball out. Somebody in the corner is open. You're out here taking the shot on 3 defenders. What are you doing? Level 3 is a nice guy. You're the type of guy that sends a good morning text every day. You're always agreeing with what she says. So for example, say the girl says she really likes cats. You hate cats, but you say, oh yeah, I really like cats also. Why are you capping? Why are you capping? Women like men that actually have their own opinions, because that shows strength, that shows leadership. Now this part's important, but if you're doing some stuff that's in level 4, I guarantee you're still not there yet, bro. Level 4, we have the emotional guy. You're the guy that says, oh bro, I don't even care about that girl, bro, forget her. Then you go home and send her a paragraph, you're FaceTiming her. That was you, isn't it? I see you like, you caught me. Yeah, I caught you, bro. This is important because you can't get too reactive when a girl doesn't answer. You got to be able to control your emotions, bro. You got to be able to stay calm. It's just like a roller coaster, right? You know the roller coaster gonna go up and it's gonna go down. But if you hopped off the roller coaster just because it was down, like, oh no, I want to get off the roller coaster, you're gonna fall off the roller coaster and you're gonna die. You can't get off the roller coaster. You have to ride the whole coaster out until it's over. Talking to a girl, there's gonna be times when you're up and there's gonna be times when you're down. But the key is you have to be able to ride it out and keep your emotions in check. If you're past these 4 levels, congrats. You're no longer a bot, but I'm not gonna say you're good at talking to girls yet. You still ain't there. Let's see what you want on level 5, bro. Let's go. At level 5, we got the chill guy. You're pretty chill at talking to girls. Your conversation skills are on point. It's just sometimes you do too much for the validation. I had this one homie, he was pretty good at talking to girls, he was confident. When it came to this one girl, she was his kryptonite. He would just start acting different. All of a sudden, he turned into a MMA fighter, like, come on, bro. Trying to put me in a headlock, come on, bro. First of all, I was a college wrestler. I know how to wrestle. I don't want to hurt you. But don't make me, bro. Why are you doing this? If you're enjoying this so far, comment what level you're at, bro, so we can see. To level up from here, these dudes are good at talking to girls until it's a girl they really like. But you literally have to just act the same. You gotta understand, these girls will like you as you are. You don't have to be anything you're not. If you're past level 5, congratulations, we're now entering solid levels of game. But if you're not doing what's in this next point, you're still probably cooked. Level 6 is the natural charmer. So you're the guy that's confident, you're talking to girls pretty easily. A great example of a guy like this is Jack Harlow. I mean, the dude's funny, he doesn't take himself too serious, and he's pretty good at flirting with girls. Like, I'm gonna tell you the truth, bro. If you are trying too hard, this will not work. But the thing is, you're unapologetically like yourself. See how this isn't rizz? This is more of a character trait. Don't get me wrong, you still have to put in the reps. You still have to talk to girls in school, talk to girls when you're out in public. If you're level 6, bro, congratulations. You're actually good at talking to women, bro. But you may be missing this one thing that will literally make you elite. Level 7, we have the magnetic king. Right here, this is when your presence speaks more than the words you even have to say. Duke Dennis is an excellent example of this. You don't really see him talking too much to girls. You don't see him trying too hard. He's just pretty calm, confident. He's just him. No glaze, no glaze, no glaze though. This is the highest level because it's all about flowing. You know when to hold silence, but you also know when to talk, bring up the energy. Just like a point guard, you know when to push the pace up the court because you're down by 10 and you don't have time. And you also know when to walk the ball up the court because you're up 15 in the 4th quarter. So getting to level 7, it's all about being comfortable with yourself. It's pretty similar to level 6, but it's more about having a calm, quiet confidence and the ability to also adapt to the situation when you're talking to a girl. Next thing is you got to know how to flirt with a girl too. So watch this video next if you want to go to the next level.